If you think that you can't draw, it's probably not because you lack talent. It's much more likely that you're not seeing what's actually in front of you. And once you understand why that happens, it becomes something that you can actually change really quite quickly. Now, most people have had this experience. You sit down to draw something, let's say a face, an object, anything, and what appears on the page looks flat, distorted, or just plain wrong. And it doesn't match what you're looking at. So the conclusion feels obvious. I'm just not good at drawing. Well, the real issue is this. You're not drawing what you see. You're drawing what you recognize. The moment you look at something, your brain labels it. Face, eye, nose, tree, chair. And as soon as that label appears, observation stops. What takes over is memory. You start drawing what you think that thing should look like, not what it actually looks like. And this is how perception works. The brain is designed to be efficient. It simplifies what's in front of you using patterns and past experience. And that's useful for everyday life. But it's a problem when you're trying to draw accurately, because accuracy depends on seeing what's actually there, not what you expect to see. This is why trained artists use methods that seem, well, a bit strange at first. One of the most effective is this. If you're working from a photograph, they would turn a photograph upside down before they start drawing from it. And when the image is upright, your brain recognizes it instantly. A face becomes eyes, nose, mouth, and you start drawing from memory. But when the image is inverted, that recognition completely breaks down. Now you're not seeing a face. You're seeing shapes, angles, relationships, and tonal shifts. And because you can't rely on memory, you're forced into direct observation. That's when accuracy improves, often really quite quickly. So what's actually being trained here isn't your hand, it's your attention. You're learning to hold focus on what's present without drifting into interpretation. And once that happens, the hand just follows. This does feel unnatural at first. The brain prefers recognition. It wants to move quickly from seeing to naming, so slowing that process down can feel really quite uncomfortable. But that discomfort is a sign that the process is working. The shift itself happens faster than most people expect, often within a single session. What takes longer is making it consistent. And this isn't just about drawing. The same process is happening all of the time. You label situations, you label people, you label your own thoughts. And once that label is in place, you stop observing what's actually happening right there in front of you. If that label drops, even briefly, perception changes and your response changes with it. So artists aren't seeing a different world. They're seeing the same world, but with a lot less interference. If you want to start developing this, keep it simple. Take any object and stop naming it. Look at its structure instead. Edges, angles, proportions, relationships. Stay with that longer than feels natural. That's where the shift in your perception really begins.